This is not him, is it?
Gee, I hope not. Are you Gus's son?
I'm Owen. You the shower curtain fella?
Yeah, Del Griffith. How are you? This is Neil Page from Chicago.
Hi.
Pleased to meet you both. I'm to drive you to Wichita to catch a train?
Yeah, we'd appreciate it.
Train don't run out of Wichita.
Hmm?
Unless you're a hog or a cattle. People train runs out of Stubbville.
That'll be fine.
be
That'll
great.
be just fine.
Now, leave it be. Get your lazy behind out here and put that trunk up in the back.
Oh, no, we've got it.
It's very heavy.
She don't mind. She's short and skinny, but she's strong. Her first baby come out sideways. She didn't scream or nothing.
Isn't that something? You're a real trooper. We've got it! We've got it!